Hello. Welcome to ACCA Notes. Today we will discuss fraud and auditors' responsibilities toward fraud. Fraud is an intentional act by one or more individuals among management, those charged with governance, employees or third parties, involving the use of deception, to obtain an unjust or illegal advantages. Misstatement caused by fraud. Two types of misstatements can caused by fraud. Number 1. Misstatement resulting from fraudulent financial reporting. Number 2. Misstatement resulting from misappropriation of assets, for example, stealing cash from fictitious payments, etc. Responsibilities. Primary responsibilities of prevention or deduction of fraud rest with management and those charged with governance. Auditor will not be expected to deduct frauds in financial statements as their primary task. However, auditor is responsible to obtain reasonable assurance that financial statement, as whole, are free from material misstatement whether caused by fraud or error. Conditions that lead fraud. An incentive or pressure to commit fraud. A perceived opportunity to commit fraud. An ability or attitude to rationalize the fraudulent action. Procedures when misstatement discovered by auditor. Evaluate audit evidence obtained to ensure that it achieves its aim of answering risks of fraud. Obtain written representations that management accepts its responsibilities for prevention and deduction of fraud, and has made all relevant disclosures to the auditors. The auditor must also document decisions reached as a result of audit team's discussion of fraud. Identified and assessed risk of material misstatement due to fraud. Overall responses to assess risks. Results of specific audit tests. Any communication with management. Fraud should be communicated to those charged with governance where it involves management. Employees who has significant roles in internal control. Other where frauds result in material misstatement in financial statement. Audit report. Misstatement due to fraud affect audit report like this. Insufficient or inappropriate audit evidence will lead, qualified or disclaimer of opinion. Uncorrected fraud leading to material misstatement will lead, qualified or adverse opinion, and auditor could consider withdrawal if they uncover exceptional circumstances with regard to fraud. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share.